Hi everybody, welcome to this video where I'm going to share my monthly recap for the month of August. If you're new to this channel, my name's Emily from Mindfully Trading, and on Mindfully Trading I share my journey as I grow and develop as a Forex trader. And in a moment I'm going to dive onto the computer with you guys and break down my results for the month of August to share with you what I've learned, what I've done right, what I've done wrong, so stick around. Hey guys, so I'm going to try and keep the video fairly short today just to give you guys an update on my performance for August with my small account. So just diving into my monthly sheet here on my weekly review and metrics. So I started August with a starting balance of £407.56. And I had a few ups and I had a few downs, and my end result, which has actually been the best month for me so far, is that I was finished August down £4.34. So I've basically lost 1% on my account for August. And as you can see, my past data here, before that my lowest amount was minus £11.04. So I have gotten better. So my ending balance for August was £403.22. And obviously that's now my starting balance for September. So overall, I'm quite happy with that. Obviously we're still red, but as I've been saying on my previous videos with you guys, I've been focusing more on lessons and building experience over trying to get rich quick, because I appreciate that trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, and that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm trying to take my time. I'm trying to build my patience. I'm trying to learn as much as I can, get as much as experience as I can, and all the while try to manage the risk on my account so that I'm not losing too much, so that I'm not paying for that. In August, I paid £4.34 to continue to learn how to day trade live. So I'm quite happy with that. And let's just go into August now to break this down. Now, as you can see, I didn't trade much at all in August. I've got more no trade days than trade days, and there is a method to this madness. Basically it's been a mixture for me, and maybe you're in the same situation. You know, it's been the summer holidays and I've not had as much time to trade as I would like to have done. I've had some time off, been going on quite a lot of boat trips. To be honest, if you guys have been following me, you know that I live on a narrowboat, and we've been on a couple of trips, and we've also moved marinas, so we've moved house boat style. So as such, I've not had the time to trade as much as I would like to have done. But that's only part of the truth. The other part of the truth is that I've been focusing a lot more on studying and developing a backtesting strategy, a trade plan, because I'm aware that my weakness at the moment is my strategy. So I've actually been focusing my time for trading development more, not trading, if that makes sense, because I've been focusing more on charts and studying and planning my strategy. I've still been taking trades because I've still wanted to stay in a live environment. I've not wanted to sort of take a month off trading live, because I didn't want to then have any emotional or psychological barriers that I've then got to overtake. So I've made myself take or I've tried to make myself take at least one trade a week, not including this first week, which is when I was out of signal on one of my boat trips. But other than that, I have been taking one trade a week just to try and stay in the game, as it were. But I haven't been trading in August with the intention of making money, quite honestly. I've been trading with the intention of exercising, you know, exercising that psychological muscle, exercising my ability to trade live. To do that, I've basically just been taking 1 or 2 maximum trades a week using the 4-hourly and the hourly charts. So I've been using the larger time frames. And after that backstory, just so you can see my results here. So I've basically taken 6 trades this month. I've had 4 losing trades and I've had 2 winners. So, you know, not brilliant accuracy there with 6. But I have managed to keep a 1.3 to 1 profit loss ratio, which is where I've only had the 1 small loss overall on the month. And I'm quite happy about that, because the month before my profit and loss ratio wasn't very good. If I dive onto trade records here, you can see in more detail. So I've had 6 trades, 1.3 to 1 P&L ratio. For July, I believe I took a lot more trades and my profit loss ratio wasn't as good. So I'm quite happy with that. I've managed to get that up, although my accuracy is still poor. And I'm quite aware of that. It's because I am working on my strategy. So I know where my weaknesses are, and it takes time to develop them, you know. And that's why for August, I've kind of managed my risk by trading a lot less, because I've still wanted to be able to trade, get that mental experience, but I am working on this accuracy figure here behind the scenes, behind the curtains, I'm studying away. I've got so many A4 pads I've been taking notes on and learning, and just started reading the Art and Science of Technical Analysis. So I'm not very far into it just yet, but been reading a lot on technical analysis over the years really, but I've not yet dived into this book by, I think it's Adam Grimes. It was recommended when I was with Warrior Trading, and a few people have also commented recommending that, so finally diving into that book. If you've read it, drop a comment and let me know what your experience was with that book. As you can see from my individual trades here, they're not that impressive, it's just my performance. But up until the 31st, so last Friday, which was actually my birthday, I think I was up 23 pence I was up, and I was really, really chuffed, even though we're only talking a few trades here. I felt that was really good because I thought I had stopped trading for August, and I thought, wow, this is going to be technically my first green month, even though it's practically break even. We're still 23p in the green, so I was really happy about that. And then yesterday, the 31st, I had quite an emotional trade, which was very frustrating. I actually had a really annoying day yesterday. It happens where things don't go right, things are breaking and you're falling over, and alongside that, you take that one emotional trade because you're not in the best space to trade. And that's what I did yesterday. And I think I actually wrote here, very rushed trade. I jumped into it way too quick. I'm going to go over it in a little bit more detail later in the week. And also a couple more trades that I've looked at but didn't trade that worked out, so you know how it goes. But if I hadn't taken that one, I would have been green, but it doesn't matter, we're only talking pennies anyway, and the cost of learning, the cost of building this all-important experience. But this trade here, this is why I am continuing to trade live even while I am working on my strategy in the background, because I'm still having these emotional days and I'm still learning from them. I'm learning not to trade when you're having those bad days, or to go out and get in a better mindset. So that was my lesson on that one. But all in all, minus £4.34 or 1% on the account, not bad. I am very much looking forward to getting into September. I've been working on some back testing and I'm still developing some day trading strategies there because I'm wanting to get a lot more active and dive into trading Forex on a daily basis. And just a quick note in case you guys are wondering, the spreadsheets that I'm using here, this weekly review where I do document all of my metrics for the week, and obviously the monthly sheet here, as well as this trade record sheet here. I do have a copy of that available to download, so there is a link below if you want to be able to document your own trading data. It's very useful just for analysing performance and also reviewing like this, like I'm doing with you guys now for August, going over trades and finding what works and what doesn't. So I hope you've enjoyed this really short video just showing my results and performance for August. Carrying on, continuing, trying to get better. Although one thing I have found quite interesting this month is, as you can see in past months, if we go back to June here, I had 28 trades in June, and then July I had 14 trades in July. And in August, I only had 6 trades. And the thing I'm finding interesting is I've traded the least amount in August, and I've actually, wow, lost the least amount. So I think that goes to show that sometimes you can work smarter, not harder. You can trade less and actually have the potential to make more, which is what I found for August. I've traded less, and as a result, I've lost less because I've been focusing more on quality over quantity. So it's been quite interesting for that. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, do drop me a like. If you've got any questions or any comments, do leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already part of the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great week, guys. Bye.